Hey everybody, Josh Town here. I'm with my two boys and we're going to take a look at this cool RC car that we received from the manufacturer. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it, boys? So let's unbox this and see what we got here. We're going to test it out and see how it works in this video. All right, here it is. Got the red maroon color. Now this comes with two rechargeable batteries. Has some instructions in the box as well. I think it's pretty straightforward. Here's the two rechargeable batteries. Hold this for a second. Here is the car itself. You can see that the wheels can spin out like that. So this looks pretty cool. The wheels have a nice grip to them. Feel that. That's nice. So we'll set that there for a second. Here is the remote. There we go. Whoa. Look at that. You can flip it upside down. Look at this, guys. You can spin it.
I'll try it.
Hold on.
Daddy, you go in the front. You can walk too.
Yeah, let's try and spin it. Let's see. That's cool. You can drive it on its back like that. Flip it over. Woo.
I didn't go straight.
You have to push both of them forward. There you go. Uh-oh, we got stuck in the drain. All right. Nice. Woo! Nice one, Jeremiah. So what do you guys think? Do you like it?
Yes.
Seems like a good little RC car, so definitely recommend it. Seems like pretty good quality and a lot of fun. So hope that you found this video helpful today. Thanks so much for watching. All right, there you go.